use a phone. You see, if you want to book a ticket on train, you want to do anything, then you need a phone. You have to apply on a job, then you need a phone. You also in that time, I think that if you do so, you have to survive. Then you have the phone. Phone is like a lifeline. The first when was phone was misused is like a very heavy and bulky. Even you have to travel the base unit of life if you want to talk. Then the phone is also help us a lot. If you face any emergency, then you have the phone. You can call and person reach you and take help. You can take help. That's the thing. And phone take lots of help while you're if you want to education, the YouTube. But with the all of the content of education was available on YouTube. If you want to take lesson, then you can use of YouTube. There was lots of things that was in YouTube. And if you want to send some data, if you're an office man and you have to have a meeting and your file was you forget your file in the home, then what was you done? If you didn't, you go out of you go from office to home and take a file and go for office. That was take a lots of time and lots of energy. Even if you have phone, you can call some person and they send you data. So that was thing. And if you forget your direction, you take a Google Maps. That was a help to you. And that time UPI was like a lifeline. If you didn't have money, you can take UPI and do anything with that. That was the thing. And everything has the pros and cons. So that mobile phone has lots of cons also. Some people are addicted to phone. You have to need to check your phone while time to time. If your notification happen, you have to time. You take a lunch and you have to time check your phone. That was the thing. And also effect on your health. The blue rays come from phone that affect your eyes and also a cause of skin cancer. And we also must see that some phone get blast also. That was the thing. It can damage your ear. And recently one person ride a bicycle, ride a bike, and his phone was blast. So that was the thing. And also there was thing that while driving you have to. Some people while driving they use a phone. There was a thing. Accident was happened. You maybe died. And it also it's also help you. And if you face any legal issue, then it also help you. That was the thing I will not say in pros, forget, but I say if you face any legal issue, then you have the call recording and messages, then you have the evidence of it. And it's also a lots of if your phone is stolen, then you have to take an immediate action toward it. You take a report on police station, because if anyone do a crime with your phone, then you are responsible for it. The police will be take that you are responsible for this. That was the thing. And that was the thing that if you use a lots of phone, then you cannot give a time to your families and friends. That was the thing. And you also must have this phone due to phone there was a lots of fraud call, spam call, were the number of increased day by day. At that time, lots of spamming and cybercrime was done by the phone. So you have to need aware toward it and take a phone in smarter way. That was all. Thank you.
So hi everybody, my name is Saurabh Kumar and our topic is mobile phone. Mobile phone is such a wonderful invention for science and technology. If I talk about earlier, people did not used to have mobile phone, or people did not used to have any such kind of equipment. By that way they can communicate with their belongings. Earlier people didn't have any instrument, so they used to communicate with their belongings by writing a letter. For that they have to wait for 1 day or maybe 2 days or maybe more than that. But nowadays, in a single click, you can communicate with every person, no matter you are from anywhere. Means you can communicate from one corner of the country, from another corner of the country. Being a student, if I talk about what is the role of mobile phone in a student life, we have various things that we are doing on mobile phone. Suppose there is a student who is living in the village and they don't have any that much infrastructure in their locality, and suppose he want to join an institute and he wants to join an institute and they don't have any idea about things, so they can easily search on the Google by using mobile phone. They can easily easily filter according to their choice that in which institute they want to go. And if I talk about, right now, because of mobile phone, people are not, basically they meet physically with each other. They suppose you have a friend and he is living near you, near at your home. They will talk you on the phone, they will talk you on social media, but they are not physically meeting with each other. So it also, it also create quite, disturbance, means it's a, it's also create bad. And nowadays, because of mobile phone, we can easily access of everything. By just sitting at home, we can, order food, we can buy, grocery things, we can buy, cloth, we can feel the form of anything. By just sitting at home, we can do everything nowadays. Even with the help of mobile phone, we can do work by sitting at the home. And but there are some negative thing of mobile phone as well. Because of mobile phone, we people got, people get cancer, and we people get a skin problem, and our sleeping, problem is also, our sleeping disruption also occur due to mobile phone, due to radiation of mobile phone. And we have also, we have osteoporosis is a, related to bone disorder. It also occur due to radiation. And we can also get the cancer because of radiation. And you might have seen there is one movie also made on the, on the mobile phone, that because of radiation, birds are dying day by day. That the movie name was Robo 2.0, I think. In movie, you can see that how birds are affected because of radiation. Nowadays, we are surrounded by radiation. Radiation affect a lot, my friend. Because of radiation, we also start feeling headache. Sometimes we start feeling nervousness because of that. And but nowadays, every student, every person is judged by their friend circle. Means if you have good friend circle, then people start thinking about you. You would be a good person. But nowadays, if any person see your mobile phone, they will easily know about you, what kind of person you are, and what you are saying and what you are doing in mobile phone. In recently in Australia, there, one rule has come that below the age of 14 or 15, they should not have access of mobile phone, and they should not have access of social media. That must be allowed in India as well, because in India, every, the kid who are the age of, 2 year or 3 year, they start using mobile phone. When you are kid, you don't have to use mobile phone, because mobile phone can destroy you, and mobile phone also can make you. But you are in that stage where you don't know what is good and what is bad for you. So in that situation, you will have to, focus on outdoor game, indoor game, but you don't have to go with mobile phone. Because in a mobile phone, we can see that, innocent people can easily manipulated by anyone. We have one incident, one crime is arising nowadays, that is digital arrest, which is done by, mobile phone. Means someone call you, and they will tell you that he is from he is bureaucrat, means he is police officer, and you have done any mistake, and they will call you video call, and they will record you everything, and they will start blackmailing you. By that way, they are making you fool, and they will do very bad with you. So people should aware about this all the thing. And if I talk of everything has pros and cons, but it depends on our knowledge, that how we are using that or how we are not using that. If I conclude lastly, we should use mobile phone, we should use mobile phone very limited. If there is no use of mobile phone, don't use that. Just try to read that book. If you want to knowledge yourself, just try to read the book. Books can give you, who write books? Any author, the experience of any author, the completely, the life of, whole experience you will get in the book, and you will easily feel that experience in just 1 hour by reading the book. But you would not, improve yourself that much as compared to, reading the books, as compared to, by using mobile phone. Because sometimes when we are searching on mobile phone, when you are talking in the mobile phone, they are spying on us as well. Whatever we are talking, the third person is listening all the time. Whatever you are searching, the same algorithm is, maintaining on the mobile phone, that what if you search anything, you will automatically get the ad of that particular product. Its product. Suppose I am a Hindu supporter. If I see any line of Hindu, then we automatically get all the news related to that Hindu. So it should not be done. we should always search good thing on mobile phone. You should always use mobile phone in a good manner, and we should use mobile phone to improve our personality. We should use mobile phone to learn something new. And we are in language lab. Majority of the students who are here, they have come here after searching on Google. Most possibility they have searched on Google, then they have come. If there was no mobile phone, if there was no any internet, then it would be very difficult to find any good institute, in Rajasthan Nagar or in Patna as well. So we can get help from mobile phone. Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone, my favorite topic is mobile. Mobile makes our life easy. Mobile phone have become much more than just a communication device. We can now use them to make payments, take pictures, and even order food. It can use for work, business purpose, entertainment, attending online classes, and or just talking with friends and family members. Mobile phone have imposed a whole new doing, including things, taking photos and video, etc. The latest news and all kinds of information that help knowledge are building are available at a student fingertips. Mobile phone have these days have the capability to do nearly everything a computer can do. A student use for mobile phone to write assignments and create presentation. Most of mobile phone have advanced videos and picture editing capabilities to their student showcase to their creative talents. Disadvantage of mobile phone. Mobile phone have used an additionals from have increased mental health disease like anxiety and depressing and others. Mental disorders. Hence, it is success that parents should be mindful and active when times use mobile phones. Additionally, mobile phones are a big distress for students. Thank you. That's all.
In corona pandemic, mobile phone helped us a lot. Whatever notification government usually they use to notify people, we usually got that information through our mobile phone. And whatever WHO made guideline for corona, we started reading by using mobile phone. We started keeping ourselves, we started maintaining ourselves, will that we should not go outside of the home, and we should not touch any laborious things. So because of that, we should not interact any bad thing. So mobile phone had helped a lot during corona pandemic. So it would be good.
Good evening everyone. Today topic is mobile phone. Mobile phone is a great gift of science, and mobile phone is because some people and some childs used to a mobile through a mobile phone. Through a mobile phone can tell to you can through